heels and did my hair. Waited up all night 'cause I thought you cared. And now you're calling me saying, babe, don't start a fight. Stop living a fantasy. I'm sorry, excuse me. Big season how I...
Estamos un ano máis á beira do río Rois para levar a cabo as actividades do proxecto.
What is love? 'Cause I'm really not sure anymore. Butterflies, songs and I keep
Os terreos próximos ao río adícanse fundamentalmente a cultivos.
passion, the romance in those flowers at my door. Where is love? Because I surely don't know.
Ao longo do río hai moitos exemplares de raspatilongas, moitos deles parasitadas por samesugas.
Remember how we first met? Or did you already forget? Like the time you forgot my birthday.
O bosque da Ribeira está formado por ameneiros.
What about an apology? Oh yeah, it's only me. This isn't how.
Existen distintos exemplares da acacia de madeira negra.
This isn't a fairy tale. You promised me. What is love? 'Cause I'm really not sure anymore. Butterflies, a summer gonna kiss us no more.
Ao longo do río tamén hai moitas falsas acacias.
Flowers at my door. There is love because I surely don't know. I don't know.
A temperatura da auga é de 14 grados.
No, I don't know. Tell me tap 3 times to get rid of you.
O pH é 7.
Over you. Tap 3 times to get rid of you. Wanna tap my heels and get over you. Over you. But is love really not sure anymore?
Estamos a medir a velocidade da corrente.
Doi.
But is love 'cause I'm really not sure anymore. Butterflies, my soul gonna kiss no more. Where is the passion, the romance in those flowers at my door? Where is love? Because I surely don't know. What is love really?
Estamos no punto de mostraxe e imos medir a anchura do río e a profundidade para saber o como.
Gonna kiss us no more. I need the passion, the romance in those flowers at my door. Where is love
Agora imos medir a concentración de nitratos.
anymore?
A concentración de nitratos é de 5 mg por litro.
There's not a single day.
Agora imos medir a concentración de oxígeno.
Not even 1 minute can end
Agora.
before you come around. I wait for the days when I see your face
Vale.
before me.
A concentración é de 8 mg por litro.
Vou medir a transparencia da agua.